Tracker is an amphibious all-terrain vehicle with ultra-low pressure tires. The lower part of the all-terrain vehicle is made of steel and is shaped like a boat. The upper part is made of aluminum. This provides the necessary rigidity and reduces overall weight. The power unit is a reliable 4-cylinder turbocharged Kubota engine with a volume of 1.5 liters and a power of 44 horsepower. The Tracker can accelerate to 42 km per hour on hard surfaces. On water, the model covers 6 km in an hour. Hourly fuel consumption depends on road conditions. On average it is 3 liters. The serially produced all-terrain vehicle Lesnik Hercules was designed and developed as an all-terrain vehicle for industrial use. It is designed to solve complex professional tasks in extreme off-road conditions. Lesnik Hercules is equipped with a 2,400 cubic centimeter engine with a capacity of 64 horsepower. The ATV consists of 2 semi-frames in the form of sealed boats, and has spring suspension on both boats. Installed low-pressure tires can have dimensions of 1,600 by 700 mm and 1,650 by 600 mm. Ground clearance is 500 mm. The maximum speed of the all-terrain vehicle is 45 km per hour. Hourly fuel consumption ranges from 3 to 7 liters. UGT is a universal track conveyor that can be used for various modifications of an all-terrain vehicle by installing various technological equipment on its platform. The ATV is equipped with a turbocharged engine with a capacity of 310 horsepower. The maximum driving speed on dry, hard dirt roads is 60 km per hour. The average speed when driving on a dirt road of average quality is from 26 to 32 km per hour. The afloat speed is 5 to 6 km per hour. The undercarriage of the all-terrain vehicle consists of 14 road wheels on balancers. The track width is 560 mm. The UGT has its own boat hull, made of special steel with a reinforced bottom 8 mm thick. The weight of the all-terrain vehicle in working condition is 12,500 kilograms. Load capacity is 4,500 kilograms. Average fuel consumption per 100 kilometers is from 90 to 120 liters. The fuel range is 1,000 kilometers. The ground clearance of the ATV is 425 millimeters. The average specific ground pressure is 0.025 megapascal. The KIT all-terrain vehicle with a 4x2-wheel arrangement is designed for fishermen and hunters, as well as for those who love active recreation. This is not a full-size all-terrain vehicle, but it moves quite effectively off-road in the off-season, easily moves through shallow snow and floats confidently on the surface of the water. Positive buoyancy is achieved not only due to the air in the ultra-low pressure tires and a sealed plastic body, but also thanks to additional rigid floats attached to the bottom of the body. The KIT all-terrain vehicle is equipped with a dry centrifugal clutch, and the main component of the automatic transmission is a modernized transfer case from the Niva SUV. As a result of the modification, the gearbox received reverse gear and a differential lock, which significantly increased the cross-country ability of the off-road vehicle. The all-terrain vehicle with a breakable frame is rear-wheel drive, with chain drive to the rear wheels, which are equipped with hydraulic disc brakes. The steel articulated frame is made from lightweight, thin-walled tubing to distribute the load evenly across all 4 wheels. The internal combustion engine, together with the transfer case, is installed in the rear of the body, where there is also space for luggage. The cooling system is air. The body of the all-terrain vehicle is made from high-quality, impact-resistant, and frost-resistant fiberglass. The frame and steering rack are reliably protected from below by a plastic tray, which is filled with rigid foam, which makes it possible to increase the displacement of the all-terrain vehicle by an extra 240 kilograms. The maximum speed of the all-terrain vehicle is 30 km per hour. DOBRYNYA is an all-wheel drive all-terrain vehicle with low-pressure tires. The frame of the all-terrain vehicle is made of profiled pipe, of various thicknesses and cross-sections, and is integrated into the body. The body of the DOBRYNYA all-terrain vehicle is made of high-strength steel elements covered with a Lucobond composite material. All body elements are laser-cut and bent on a machine. Forester low-pressure tires measuring 1370 by 600 provide an impressive ground clearance of 500 mm and allow the amphibian to confidently stay afloat. The transverse tread pattern of the tire and the lug height of 25 mm allow you to move on an all-terrain vehicle for a long time at very low pressure inside the wheel, without affecting its service life. The DOBRYNYA all-terrain vehicle is equipped with a 4-act petrol engine producing 80 horsepower. Excellent torque of 120 Nm, combined with economical consumption and compactness, make this motor optimal for this class of all-terrain vehicles. If desired, a Toyota engine with a power of 109 horsepower can be installed. With it, the all-terrain vehicle will be even more powerful and faster, and the torque of 130 Nm shows itself perfectly at the bottom. The all-terrain vehicle is equipped with spring front and rear suspension. Smooth running, gentle passage of holes and obstacles, combined with simplicity and reliability, make it easy to travel long distances on any road in comfort. The maximum speed of the all-terrain vehicle is 45 km per hour. TIGA 4x4 is a multifunctional vehicle with low-pressure tires. The basis of the all-terrain vehicle's design is an articulated frame, consisting of 2 sections that are connected by a steering knuckle. Through this mechanism, drive transmission is carried out from the front section to the rear cardan and axle. The engine in the basic configuration is 18 horsepower. The transmission here is implemented in a very unusual way. The torque is transmitted from the engine to the variator, then goes to a conventional gearbox and then reaches the cardan using a chain drive. It is worth noting the presence of a full-fledged automobile clutch, as well as a disc brake, which is mounted on the shaft. Accordingly, the pedal assembly and the entire control circuit are absolutely familiar, automotive type. The all-terrain vehicle is controlled by folding 2 sections using a steering rod. The maximum speed in top gear is 40 km per hour. The minimum speed in low gear is 2 km per hour. The speed of the all-terrain vehicle on water is 4 km per hour. Load capacity is 300 kilograms.